A collaborative inbox in Gmail is a powerful tool to manage and distribute tasks within your team. Today, we'll be guiding you through the steps to set up a collaborative inbox in Gmail. How to set up a collaborative inbox in Gmail? Hello there, and welcome back to our channel. This is Allie, and remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you won't miss out on our future tips and tutorials. A collaborative inbox can turn your Gmail into a simple project management tool. It allows your team members to assign emails to each other, track progress, and mark topics as resolved. But how do you set this up? Let's dive in. Step 1. Begin by creating a Google group for your team. Navigate to Google Groups, click on Create Group, and fill in the necessary details like group name, group email address, and description. Step 2. It's time to choose and set permissions. Over here, you can optimize your group based on who can view conversations, who can post, and who can view members. Moreover, you can choose who can join the group as well. Once that's done, add members to it and add managers. Type in the email addresses of your team members and team managers, followed by a welcome message if needed. Step 3. Now that you have your team in place, it's time to enable Collaborative Inbox. Navigate to Group Settings, and under Enable Additional Google Groups feature, select Collaborative Inbox. Step 4. Now back to your Gmail. When you receive an email that requires action, you can forward it to your Google Group email address. Once it appears in the group, any member can take ownership of the task by clicking on Assign to Me, which will be visible inside the email. Step 5. As progress is made, the member can update the status of the task by clicking on the appropriate status like Mark as Complete, Mark as Duplicate, or No Action Needed. This keeps everyone informed about the progress of tasks and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Remember, communication is key. Encourage your team members to leave notes and updates within the thread so that everyone stays informed. There you have it. A straightforward way to set up and use a collaborative inbox in Gmail to streamline your team's workflow. For more advanced features like assigning emails without forwarding, tracking status within Gmail, or using analytics to measure team performance, you might want to consider tools like Hiver, which seamlessly integrates with Gmail. Hiver's shared inbox lets you assign emails to a particular team member and collaborate with them contextually without switching to another project management or internal communication tools. In simple terms, Hiver transforms your Gmail interface into a robust email collaboration platform where you can navigate between multiple shared inboxes and ensure that no email slips through the crack. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help you out. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video useful and subscribe for more how-to guides and tech tips. Also, don't forget to check out our guide, Shared Inbox for Businesses, if you'd want to know more about how Shared Inbox would truly make a difference to your business communication and collaboration. This is Allie signing off. Stay productive and see you in the next video.